All right, let's talk about some math here. We're going to talk about exponents. Exponents with integer bases. Let's start up here with this guy. The idea of the square. This is negative 2 squared. This means I'm going to go negative 2 times negative 2. And a negative 2 times a negative 2 is a positive 4. Now, that's different from this one over here. This is a negative 2 squared. What's the difference? Well, this one has parentheses and this one does not. This guy you can think of as a 2 squared, which is a 4, but then the negative comes back. Or you can think of it as a negative 2 times a 2, or actually a better way is a negative 1 times a 2 times a 2. So with the parentheses, a square becomes a positive. Without the parentheses, it stays a negative. And the other idea here is anything to the 0 power is 1. So 5 to the 0 equals 1. The only exception to that is that 0 to the 0 power is undefined, but that rarely comes up. So let's do a problem here. Let me zoom in. Zooming, zooming, zooming. There we go. Solve for r. So we're dealing with exponents. 4 raised to what power would give me a 64? Is 4 squared, what is 4 squared? 4 squared is 16, not 64. What's 4 to the third? 4 to the third is 4 times 4 times 4, and that is 64. So this is to the third power. 4 to the third power is 64. Solve for n. What number would n have to be to make this equation work? Well, it's 2 to the first. 2 to the first is 2. No, it's not a 1. What's 2 to the second? Well, it's 4. How can I take a 2 and raise it to a power and turn it into a 1? How about 2 to the 0 equals 1? There it is. All right. That was a fast one. 3 minutes. 3 minutes of brilliance.